is that rumbling sound?
I have no idea. It's an earthquake! It's an earthquake! No, it is! Welcome to JackJackPlays!
What do you guys got?
We got Transformers. I have Optimus Prime. And I got a dump truck!
Boulder, the dump truck. Cool. Do you guys want to open them?
Yeah!
All right. Which one should we do first?
This! Okay, let's do Boulder.
Whoa, that was really fast. Holy cow. Jackie, uh-oh, what's on the back of this?
Twisty die!
Wow, you guys are loud. Okay, Daddy's gonna get off the twisty tie.
Whoa.
Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. It's Boulder. Transform
get
him.
it. Yes, I did. Oh, doggy.
Oh, there goes Molly.
Not cool, man. Not cool.
Oh, look at that. That's so cute.
She thinks she's a lapdog. She's crazy. She's too big. Ta-da!
Whoa, what happened? You didn't transform him. Transform him for us. What kind of noise happens when you transform? Wow, that's a lot of ch-ch-ch. What do you got? Look at that dump truck. Check that out. Look at it. Zoom, zoom. And do you think that's going to work? Is it going to hold stuff?
Yes.
Awesome. Ruth, what are you going to open?
Optimus Prime.
Optimus Prime. Is he the leader of the Autobots?
Yeah. Hey, Molly. Look at this guy.
Molly is
look at
really
this
not
guy.
interested.
Hey, look at this guy.
Whoa, look at that guy.
He's carrying.
Yeah, he's carrying that. Cool.
It's a radar.
A radar, okay.
He's carrying a radar.
Well, I guess we're going to pretend that that's a radar. Cool.
It's a construction radar.
Construction radar. Wow, I never heard of one of those.
Let's open Optimus Prime.
All right, do it. Rip that guy open. Rip him. Show the kids what you're doing as you rip it. The kids want to see. Oh, what's inside of there?
Optimus Prime.
Yeah, but what's holding him in?
Twisty tie.
No. It's unfortunate, Molly, that there's a twisty tie. While Ruthie gets a twisty tie out, let's take one closer look at Boulder in robot form. Show us, Jack. Oh, you transformed it back. Release Optimus Prime.
I got the twisty tie out.
Ooh.
Let's see him transform.
You can I want you to be this guy.
But let me transform him first. He's hard to transform.
No,
Who's
I
having
know.
trouble? Oh, Jack, show us. Show the kids too, not just Ruthie.
Okay, so you do this. I do not know.
Uh-oh. Does Daddy have to try?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if Daddy can do this. What am I? I'm transforming him into truck form. Oh, he turns, he rotates like that, and now he's a truck. Autobots, roll out.
Whoa.
There they are, Boulder and Optimus. Who's the boss?
Me.
Who's me?
I'm Optimus Prime and I'm transforming.
What's next, boss?
Okay. You have transformed.
Okay.
Autobots, are you ready? There's an emergency.
Okay. Where do we go? Let me transform.
Race to rescue.
Whoa, Whoa, what do you got, Ruth? Is that 2 boulders?
Yeah.
Wow, what does the other one do? 3 of them? What do those guys do?
This one is a bulldozer. And he loads stuff into the dump truck one. And this guy drills.
Oh, so he loosens up the soil.
Yeah, for him to dig up and put in here.
This guy helps when the soil's too rough inside the earth.
What is that thing?
It's to keep the underground clear.
Oh, is that a tunnel boring machine?
Uh-oh, the grabber is coming.
Oh, what's that guy's name? Isn't it Tidal Wave?
Oh, she has a finger.
He's the Claw.
I think his name is
Claw.
Clark.
Mr. Claw, Mr. Claw.
What do you want?
Boss is here.
The boss is here. What's the boss want to do?
He's gonna tell anyone. You guys transform, guys.
Okay.
Okay, Driller, your job is to protect people from underground.
Should I do that too?
Yes,
Okay.
but there's scrum mites inside Kate's tummy.
What?
Oh no.
Scrum mites.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's crazy. I don't even know what that means.
Scrum mites are animals that are undergoing you, and then they saw your brain.
They saw your brain.
Scram might sound complicated.
Super complicated.
Okay. What is my job?
Your
To protect people from water?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm ready to go.
So, guys, let's transform. I'm ready.
Hey, do I see that Moorbot and a shark back there?
Bad guys, bad guys.
That's the Sharkmobile, and Jack's got Moorbot.
I am ready to feed the rescue bots.
Here's the radar. I'll use it.
What do you use it for?
Test my skills.
To test your skills?
Yeah.
Now the job's done.
Are those dinosaurs?
I think the rescue bots went back in time.
They went back in time,
So did Wonder Woman.
and Wonder Woman's with them. What are they doing in the land of the dinosaurs?
Giddy up, yo-ho, giddy up.
Apparently, they're teaching them how to be steeds, right?
Yeah.
That was a Triceratops.
Eh.
And now, what kind of monstrous dinosaur is that?
Ouch.
Is that a
It's
T-Rex?
called an ouch. It's an ouch.
It's an ouch. Is it a T-Rex?
It's an ouch T-Rex.
Oh, an ouch T-Rex. Awesome.
Oh no, Wonder Woman is stuck. The T-Rex
We can save you.
is-
I can save you.
The T-Rex is taking her away.
Oh,
Okay,
no.
I can save you. Oh, you're here.
Optimus Prime saved Wonder Woman.
Giddy up, yo-ho, giddy up. Giddy up,
Wow.
no, giddy up, yo-ho, giddy up. Giddy up, horsey. I need to get this Tyrannosaurus off the... Ah!
Oh, what was that, Jack?
That was a way of doing it, not the one I was thinking of.
What is that rumbling sound over
I have no idea. It's an earthquake! It's an earthquake! No, it is!
Only one dad would dare use the Legos.
Lone Dad.
Load that guy up.
She.
Load up Boulder.
He's all full.
Ruth, I think you should take this boulder and drill into some Legos.
I'll drill into
in here.
I'll drill into this Lego to make a cat.
To make a cat.
Yeah.
What's happening, Jack?
The more bots got out of here.
The Moorbot's got out of here? I don't even know where Moorbot is. It's so messy.
All the more bots are coming out.
They're all coming out. I don't see any of them.
See? Dun, 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 dun.
Is that's a marble.
Dun, dun, dun.
It's the drill.
Oh,
It's the drill. Oh, it's a kitty Lego.
He drilled out a kitty. Meow.
Nice.
Blow this up and no, but there's a pipe inside.
Well, we gotta put that pipe right into the dump truck, Boulder.
Why don't we build the kitty a house?
Well, that seems like a good job for you, Ruth.
Yeah, let's build the kitty a house. Meow.
I'm gonna make a kitty airplane.
Okay, it's gotten a little bit crazy and zany around here, so it's time to end the show. Kids, what do you want to tell the kids?
Thanks for watching JackJackPlays. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Subscribe?